did years ago. But the issue is that increasingly the internet has been centralized around just a few of these services, with many, many of the biggest technologies depending on just a few of these companies. And so even if there's just an accidental error...
Man, we about to be balling. Like I say, we save up a good 6 months, we should have 25,000 in the bank, and that money, and that...
What are you doing? You're about to cause an accident. You're going to cause an accident, lady. What are you doing? You're stupid. You're stupid. What are you doing? Go! You're going to cause an accident. What is this lady doing? She almost caused me to crash into her.
Like a jerk.
No, you acted like a jerk. You just couldn't handle it. You just moved over.
You're the one that's driving like an idiot.
I came over like this lane. You went over the lane.
You came over and...
You look at the damage on my car. You don't get it.
No, look at my damage.
In your car, yeah. Look at my car. That means you hit me.
I was in front of you.
You hit me. No. Look at where it is.
Why are you trying to pass me like this? Are you crazy?
I was on this lane.
You're crazy.
You're a stupid shit pig.
You're crazy, lady.
Yeah, so are you.
So why'd you have to go so fast to get around me? What's wrong with you?
I'm trying to get to work.
Well, you're going to be late now, aren't you?
Yeah, congratulations.
Well, you're the one that started it all.
No, you started it. You cut me off first.
You
really? Cut me off.
No, I didn't.
Oh, yes, you did. I'm coming this way. You just had to have the lane, didn't you?
With your attitude right now, it just shows how much...
It's your attitude. That's the way you think all day long. It's not now. That's the way you are. That's your moral.
You don't even know me.
Oh,
all I know, the only thing I know is you're trying to get around me like a crazy lady.
Look at the damage of my car. There's
look at my car.
I tried to avoid your car.
You tried to avoid me. You tried to run me off the road.
Bullshit! You had that lane.
You tried to run me off the road.
I did not.
Why
That's
are you
your story,
hollering
but you're an asshole because you're a dick and you're lying.
Huh. I can't believe how nuts you are. Okay, here's the damage to her car. You can see where she slid right into me, trying to pass me and trying to get over on her side. Let me show you the damage to my car. Yeah, that's a lot of it, huh?
Get it in life, you son.
I'm older than you are.
Oh,
so
is that something to brag about?
Yeah.
That's got nothing to do with what you did. You're an ass.
You're an ass.
You're a proverbial ass.
Yes, ma'am.
You just can't handle. Oh, yeah, and you're proud of it. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Why don't we start exchanging information now? Are you ready to do that, or you still want to sit and holler and bitch some more?
Well, you know what? Can't you at least say you're sorry?
Can't you?
Why? You hit me.
Ma'am, you're the one that started driving all over the road like this.
I was getting away from you.
You were behind me. Why'd you have to go around me?
You cut me off.
You were behind me. You tried to cut me off.
You were behind me.
You ran up
and
beside of me.
Because you were coming in from the left.
You ran
from the right.
You were behind me. What was so important?
Look at my car. The proof
If
is
you
there.
would've
You don't get it, stupid shit. Go look at my car.
If you would have stayed behind me.
There's nothing wrong with your car. I tried to avoid hitting you.
Avoid hitting me.
Yes,
You ran into
you
me.
sped up to hit me.
Ma'am, if you would have just stayed behind me, all this would have been fine.
I did. And
if you stayed behind me, if you were staying behind me, how did all this happen to my car?
Because you sped up. Quit.
If I would have sped up.
What's going on?
There must be some sense up here. Let this guy go. Wait. Alright, come on.
Jesus Christ. Pull over, Daddy.
I know, we're gonna...
Daddy, stop.
Okay, no, we're not stopping here.
Where are we?
I'm gonna pull
Where
the
are we
parking
here?
lot, and we're gonna pull around.
First time to the Embassy of the United States here in Jerusalem, the capital of Israel. Thank you.
While Jared and Ivanka partied, Palestinians were being gunned down for daring to protest for their
What are these people's...
Jesus Christ. You are gotta be... You're retarded.
I don't think we can go through this.
This person... Are you kidding me? I gotta get this on video too.
So, again, reading between the lines here, I suspect the guy's got a scrapyard someplace.